Hello everybody, today we make a Tuscan soup. Now, we got all the ingredients over here. We got chicken stock, beans, onion, garlic, pancetta, Italian hot sausage, plum tomato. I got a kale, cabbage, and I got heavy cream, potato, celery, and carrots. Okay, now we got to start to chop everything. Okay, now we got to start the soup over here. I use a little oil. Leave it warm up really good with the oil. Okay, we started with the pancetta. Okay, now this you got to make a nice color. That's why I wanted the oil to be a little hot. Okay, now the pancetta we take out. The pancetta you gotta saute a little bit, not too much. Okay, now this is done. And now we do with the sausage. Okay. And we do the same thing we did with the pancetta. To make a nice color of the sausage. When it's done, we take out. Okay, now we take the sausage out. It smells really, really good, the sausage and the pancetta. We put a little extra oil. That's it. We warm up good. And now we start with onion and garlic first. The leave fry a little bit before we put the rest of the vegetable. I got a carrot, potato, celery, everything. Now we put the garlic and onion together. Nice smell more. Take all the pancetta and the sausage, the onion. It smells really, really good. Okay, now we start with the carrots. Okay, and we give a nice turn to the carrots. Yeah, take all the smell. Okay, now the celery. Sedano, lac, ci posto lac, ci posto i pastanac e mo ci metti i patane. Okay, now it got the tomato. And we leave saute the tomato together. Okay, now we put back the sausage and we put back the pancetta. And we give a nice turn now. And look, already looks so beautiful. Good. Okay, now I put my own chicken stock I was making. Okay. We give a nice turn, and now this you gotta boil. When it start to boil, after we gotta put the rest of the stuff inside. Now this you gotta boil for 30 minutes on low. Okay, now this it was cooked for 30 minutes. 30 minutes, it's half hour, right? In English, it's half hour. And now we started with the patera. Patate. Oh, look at the patera, nice color, nice, beautiful. Ooh. My beans. Now this beans is supposed to cook 5 more minutes, but I'm not cook all the way. The beans it was cooked al dente, like standing up. And now we finish the cook together. Now this, you gotta boil. When you start to boil this, we got the rest of the stuff, you gotta go inside. But I want to wait the boil. I like beans, oh boy. When you eat the beans, boy, you relax. Now this is boiled, and now we time the cabbage and the kale. We put it together. Okay. And now we give a little squeeze, slow inside. This, I can't wait to eat this with a nice piece of bread toast with a little oil on the top, a nice scrape of the garlic. Okay, now this you gotta cook a little bit more after ready to eat. Okay, now the kale, everything done. Now we put the heavy cream. You gotta cook this now for 5 minutes. And look, it change color really good. Now 5 minutes, and this we take out. Okay, ready? And we bring right over here. A nice time, the taste. Toscana soup. All right. We put a little pecorino cheese. My bread, oil, and garlic. Put in the oven nice crispy. And we start to taste my soup. It's really hot. Nice crispy. A little wine. It goes really good with the soup. I want to say salute e cincin to everybody. I hope somebody make and let me know what it come out when you make. This it come out really delicious. It's good. Salute e cincin to everybody. A salute. Thank you. We got beans. We got onion, garlic, pancetta, sausage, plum tomato, heavy cream, patata, celery, carrots. And I gotta chop everything what I got over here for my soup. I like beans, oh boy. When you eat the beans, boy, you relax. It make the beans, it make you relaxation. Okay, now everything be done. It's done. Oh, it's really hot. The kale, everything done.
2, 1, go.
Okay, now it's done. Huh?
Hold on.
Hey, va.
All right, ready?
You done?
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay.
What are you making now?
Now I fry my oye baby. Look, this it's my oye baby. for the store. Oh yeah, baby. And this, it's my oh yeah, baby, for my garden.
It grows with that thing on there?
Yeah, with a foot.
You think somebody saw that foot there in the video? So those are chili de arbol.
This is chili d'arbol.
And what do you use, oil?
No, for fry, I use oil. What are you gonna use? Water? I got a little small, my oh yeah, baby.
Those are small.
Yeah, I got more oh yeah, baby.
You got like every variation.
Got a lot of baby. You give a little turn. You got a little bubble.
I can smell it right.
You smell? Mm-hmm. Smell good, huh? Okay, baby. Take out.
Whew, strong. Those are spicy. Which one's hotter, that or from the garden?
This one. You eat this, you jump yourself. You say, what happened?
Pat, when I was younger, I had a friend over. When we were eating those, he thought we were eating worms, like fried worms.
Okay, you give a little shake and it bake over here like this. And you put more salt. Oh, the peppers are really hot. Okay, a little salt, baby. Look at that. Bye-bye.